Good night. Think how many people have been in here over the years. As time passes, 21 a day, that's 7,665 a year, times 400, easily. It's a lot of glasses to collect. It's a lot of tall tales. It's the population of Wales. And they continue serving drink to the masses. Imagine people sitting, fire roaring, talk of the fish that got away. Never boring. They lean out of the chair. It was this close to glory. Yes, but the fish gets bigger with every story. The celebrations, the heated debates, the business meetings, the awkward first dates, the wedding receptions, and the funeral wakes. The too drunk to mentions the how did I get in this state? I fancy her, then go and tell her. In-depth planning to save a propeller, karaoke and quiz nights, just pints with your grandpa. The food's better than my wife's, but I never tell her. A night of board games in the snug, or drunken banter in the lav. Some people don't want to leave, and maybe a few never have. But whether you've come in for a meal or a few quiet ales, you're never alone at the Prince of Wales.